Good morning, everyone. Hopefully you are awake and can welcome one of the most interesting and I would say trendy and fashionable conversation today, because being healthy is very trendy and everyone is repeating it constantly. My name is Nataliya Andreychuk. I am your MC for today. I'm originally from Ukraine. I'm CEO of Ukrainian company, and I'm very proud to be here today. And in such a moment when my people and my country is fighting against the tyranny, against the hatred for all common good. So we are the company of 700 people today, and originally started in a very small city in Ukraine. We now spread globally and operating more than 12 years, delivering the communication tools, software, and services for healthcare and pharma, actually. This is what we are doing. Omnichannel communication, communication for the patients, engagement of the patients, patient support communication. We do have the platform and the tool about this. The very interesting moment for me today to introduce this to you and to have your support as a woman in tech, as a person who started the company and led to 700 people worldwide, and having the growth in the situation we are, taking care about the relocation of our employees. We have 42% of women in our company. So you can imagine how responsible it is just to support every subject of female life, and I really mean it. We keep our people continuing working even in this situation, supporting them in all of our offices in the US, of course in Canada, of course Argentina, India, and Ukraine. So thank you very much for being here in this very splendid morning. I believe that we will have a very beautiful experience of listening to the talks of our great speakers. And I want to introduce the very first topic today. This is very exciting as well and very unusual. Are we poised to get the pill for men for the contraception? So, of course, this is the very first session, and I think the facts and the knowledge will totally wake up you, right? And our next speakers, just 17 years of age, and they are developing non-hormonal male contraceptive pill. So please welcome to the stage students of Knowledge Society, Diba Dindaust and Simran Saxena. Applause.